this video, I'm going to walk you through editing the email templates. The email templates are sent out to your customers to invite them to give you their feedback. To edit the templates, go to Settings and click on Email Templates. There are two emails that you'll need to edit. They're fairly self-explanatory, but the initial review request is the first email that's sent to your customer. This is the email that's inviting them to give you their feedback. The second email will be sent to them if they do not respond to the first email. So if they don't click the link in the first email and give you some feedback, then depending on the delay you've set, a few days later the reminder email will be sent. To edit either of these templates, click on Edit. Here you've got two options. You can edit the email in a sort of rich text format, sort of like a word processor style format. You've got bold, italic, underline and various alignment options. Alternatively, for advanced users, you can click on Source View. You can then edit the HTML in the email so you can customize it completely. I'd suggest for most people to use the editor view. Also, if you're sending it from the manager or the business owner, it looks more personal, it looks more real. If you put a lot of graphics or a lot of styling in it, it looks very generated. And in our tests, we've got a much higher response rate from sending it from an individual in the company and it looking like a personalized email. If you click on Help, you'll see a number of merge fields. These merge fields can be inserted in your email, and where they're inserted, ReviewFilter will automatically replace them with fields from the database, such as the customer's name. In this example, we're using prefix such as Mr., Mrs., Miss, and last name. The reason we're not using the first name merge field here is that when we take bookings, we're not always capturing the guest's first name. Sometimes just initial is being entered there. So it makes the most sense to be using Mr. and then their last name. The other field that is really important that is included is the review URL merge field. That is actually embedded in this link here. So if you want to change any of this text, that's fine, just leave this as it is. If you do change it, make sure that somewhere in the email you put review URL. Otherwise the email will not have a link in order for the customer to click to leave their feedback. Once you've made some changes, just click Save and you'll return to the previous screen.